Welcome to Walk Turkey. Here, we explore the most fascinating destinations in Turkey. If you enjoy discovering amazing places, make sure to subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us bring more incredible content straight to you. Now, let's dive into today's journey. Fethiye, Kayaköy. The village, located in Fethiye, Turkey, is a settlement steeped in history and one of the region's most prominent tourist attractions. Famous for its abandoned historic houses, the settlement was left desolate after its residents migrated in 1925. Perched on a hillside, the stone houses of Kayaköy hold fascinating stories. Today, Kayaköy serves as a living museum, offering glimpses into the lives of past civilizations that once thrived here. The Kayaköy ruins host archaeological remains from different historical eras. Where is this historic town? Kayaköy is situated in Fethiye, within the Muğla province of Turkey. Located in the Aegean region, it is a hillside neighborhood rather than a coastal settlement. Its historical, archaeological, and touristic significance makes it one of Turkey's standout destinations. Geographically, Kayaköy is very close to Oludeniz in Fethiye. The neighborhood is bordered by Karakesalıyla to the east, Nal to the west, and Belen to the north. How to get to area? Accessing Kayaköy is straightforward, especially via Oludeniz. The best way to reach Kayaköy is by road, either by private vehicle or public transportation. Minibuses departing from Oludeniz Hisaronu area provide a convenient option. If you're driving, simply follow the Hisaronu Kayaköy route, which is only 5 kilometers long and can be covered in a few minutes. For those traveling from outside Muğla, Milas Bodrum Airport is the closest airport. From Bodrum, you can take the D330 and D400 highways to Kayaköy in approximately 3 hours. Accommodation. Kayaköy's popularity as a tourist destination has led to the development of a wide range of accommodation options. From hotels and bungalows to camping sites, pensions, and villas, there is something for everyone. If you plan to visit Kayaköy for a day trip, you can also explore the many hotels in the surrounding Fethiye area. Dining in Kayaköy. Kayaköy's deep-rooted history is reflected in its local cuisine. Visitors can enjoy a traditional village breakfast, fresh seafood, and olive oil-based dishes typical of Aegean cuisine. Among the local specialties, sea bass is highly recommended. Restaurants within Kayaköy and nearby areas like Hisaronu and Oludeniz offer a variety of culinary experiences. Places to visit in Kayaköy. Kayaköy offers numerous attractions, from archaeological ruins to natural wonders. Notable spots include Af Kule Monastery, a hilltop monastery offering stunning views of Fethiye's coastline. Lower Church, Pânea Purgătiță, a 19th century church known for its intricate mosaics. Rock-cut tombs. Ancient burial sites, dating back to the 4th century BCE, during the Lycian civilization. Kayaköy ruins, featuring 2-story stone houses built by Ottoman-era Greeks. Upper Church, Taxiarchis Church, a restored religious site visited by many, including tourists from Greece and Rhodes. Cold Water Bay, a serene cove for a peaceful retreat. Gemile Beach, a family-friendly spot with turquoise waters and sandy shores. Darboğaz, a secluded beach accessible by foot or boat, surrounded by lush greenery. Gemile Island, a historic island with ruins of churches and basilicas, perfect for a boat tour. Key points about Kayaköy. Before visiting Kayaköy, it's worth learning about its rich history. Known as the Ghost Village, Kayaköy was abandoned after the 1925 population exchange, when its Greek residents relocated to Greece. Although new settlers moved in, they struggled to adapt, leaving the historic structures untouched. Kayaköy has roots dating back to the 4th century BCE, evidenced by ruins from the Lycian civilization. In the Ottoman era, it thrived as a Greek settlement. Today, its well-preserved stone houses, churches, and ruins are protected as an archaeological site. Plan your journey to Kayaköy for an unforgettable exploration of history, culture, and natural beauty.